and the levels weren't straight, so it all like fell away.
You swipe with the pad?
Yeah, you just swipe it 3 fingers.
Every time I use one, I discover something new.
So let's test that out. Can we? Yeah, let's export it and try and
Is
print.
it? How big is it? Will it fit?
Oh, did you already scale it? Yeah, scale it down.
Yeah, tools and then scale.
Tired day, I forgot to even do that.
Fingers, and I actually find it really uncomfortable just because it's really too spine.
How big is that?
It's a tenth of
This is the thing you can enable
a scale. I don't want mine to go any farther. Alright, a 15th of a scale. That'll work.
That's good.
Oh, sorry.
So it has scroll areas here, and I think Windows laptops.
Actually, no.
And then today I
Even
figured
better.
out you can enable the check box.
PBS, I guess.
Python you ordered something? You ate it already? Yeah.
Did
This is off. You want to pull it onto so I can guess?
Oh wow, that's alright.
Just make that.
Scale it.
If you pick Python, you might not ever find even a bit of Python.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, make it kind of small.
It's not true. I rewrote it.
It's like, which way does it want to go? There we go.
Is that too small?
well, just to test it out.
Oh, yeah. And that probably won't
That
take
way,
long.
yeah, exactly. The quicker.
Like I remember starting out as a little kid and the kind of stuff I did on my Commodore. Later there was a UI. Or was there? There was a
Slicing.
It shouldn't take too long. It's nice. All right.
Yeah, I think it's. I don't know which one.
and you have WYSIWYG word processor.
33%.
So really, I mean, you can.
Word processor I've been using.
Was that complex? It didn't seem.
I didn't see. Well, the thing is, I didn't know when you had make stuff from scratch if you could rise it. Because I remember I was making something yesterday and it wouldn't rise.
But you made it. Yeah.
Now
So-
I understand.
So do you want to go ahead and open up a new file and test it out?
Test what out?
And create something.
How do I do that?